replace the M2 cutting deck, you will need a T25 Torx screwdriver. To start, tilt the mower onto its back so that it is standing. Begin by remove the 4 screws holding the protection disc on. Once the protection disc is removed, there are 4 more screws that need to be removed. To reinstall the cutting deck, repeat the same steps in reverse. When reinstalling the cutting deck, ensure that the notches on the cutting deck align with the notches on the cutting deck holder.